Hi! In front of me is CHUWI HiPad X, and today I would like to show you how you can pick the food apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and install your new food app, in my case Opera Mini browser. As you can see, I already have it, so all I need to do is choose Home button and tap on Settings. Then tap on Apps and Notifications. Over here select the food apps and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, set up my Opera by tapping on it and simply go back. As you can see, after that, my food app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!